There's fun in learning around the bend. You can even do it with your best friend. If there's science stuff that you like to know, come watch Allie and CoCo's Science Show.
Hey, Allie and CoCo Science Show, what is up? I'm currently sitting camouflaged in a hammock with my guard dog, and she's cute. So the video you're about to see is me and my family making hot air balloons, and it was so much fun to make. It took a while to edit because we filmed it in July. It was 3 hours of hilarity. We were just all cracking each other up. So it took a while to edit through, but I hope you enjoy the video as much as we had making it, because truly it's the most fun experience. So enjoy.
Hey guys, welcome to Allie and CoCo's Science Show. Today, obviously, Colette is not here. I don't know where she is right now. Today I'm with some amazing special guests. These are my second cousins. We have
Ellery, Taya, Alex,
Elizabeth. Awesome. So today we are out here in Eagle River.
Yes, Eagle River.
I'm an adult and I know where we are. We're at Eagle River, Wisconsin, for some fun family time. And today I thought it'd be an awesome idea if we attempted to make hot air balloons. Like you can see, exactly, entangled or like at lantern festivals. I've made a few prototypes. Try it.
Go ahead, try it.
Like let it go?
Yeah, sure. It's just gonna.
It won't go. I mean, it would be lighter than air, right?
land on the fire.
Pretty effective.
This pine cone. Put it in our fire.
You could do fire dancing with that.
None of them have been successful. So today we thought we'd be like real scientists. I've told these guys my previous issues and how dumb they are. But it's fine because mistakes happen and that's what scientists do. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna make 4 lanterns, however we think will work. And then we're gonna light them on fire and see if they float. And if they don't, that's fine. That's just prototype number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Who knows? So, couple things about like the science and physics of hot air balloons. What you're trying to do is create a sealed chamber where no air can get out. That's a bit structurally sound that can hold its shape so that you can have a flame in here. Now what happens is hot air rises faster than cool air. It's less dense. So hot air is going to fill this balloon up and then
It's gonna
float away. So what we're gonna do some planning with our teams or on our own. Plan our hot air balloons. We have wire and old cardboard that we can cut up, and we have newspaper, tissue paper, a whole bunch of different things. And we're gonna practice different types of materials and fuel types and see if any of it works. And if it doesn't, that's fine. So, if you guys are ready, we're gonna go in 3, 2, 1, go. How is everyone's hot air balloon going?
I'm just doing, so like here's our design. It's gonna be like an oval shape.
Okay.
We're putting this on the top, like that.
Excellent.
And then inside we're gonna have cardboard that like bends a little bit to kind of support the top.
Cool.
And then something to hold the camera. You're
All
coloring
right.
around.
How's yours going?
Pretty good.
Okay.
I don't have some plan
The
yet.
design, you're just working with it?
Yeah.
And Alex, how's yours going?
Where do you get it?
Okay, let me know if you need help, okay?
Okay, I got some scissors. Anybody need them? Here's some scissors.
Ooh, that's dangerous.
Oh, can we burn this?
Yeah, so that's one of the fuel ideas. And I'll go through them, I'll like introduce our fuel sources.
I want to see how this fuels. Look. Hope this works.
What was that for?
I hope this works.
Hope this works.
Oh God.
I can do a a very big Mickey Mouse or Yoshi.
Oh, Yoshi. Yoshi.
That was amazing.
That was perfect. Could I hear it? Yoshi. Oh my god. Wait.
Can I have some scissors?
Thank you.
Eat them.
No. What we're not gonna do is yeet the scissors.
We have to yeet the scissors.
Is that how it works at yoga?
Yoga.
Hey, Katie.
Yoga.
Welcome to the science show. Hello,
Yo.
viewers. We're making hot air balloons.
Hey, 40 minutes.
And I
40
made
minutes.
one.
You know.
What?
Are y'all gonna like light a candle, make them fly in the air?
We're gonna just light them on fire.
Ooh.
No, we're gonna try and get them to work. We're gonna have a fire later and we're gonna throw them in the fire if they don't work, which
Trash
Wait,
fire.
that's what we did yesterday.
Like a circle in the
Look how thick she is.
Oh, yeah.
Big girl.
Thick. Yeah, I'm trying to get this. It's ripped a hole.
Look at her.
Listen, I know how it's supposed to go. And in my mind, I see how it's supposed to go. And in my execution, I'm horrible at DIY. Help me. Hello everyone, today we're gonna do some ASMR crafts.
The first thing
Hello.
it's like one, wait, one
Making
small
a
step for
YouTube video.
potatoes, one giant leap for
Yeah.
French fries.
Right here.
Is it filming?
One
Yeah.
leap
Right now?
for
Yeah.
one giant leap for
Yeah.
One leap
Do you wanna
for
be on my
one giant
YouTube
leap
channel?
for potatoes. One leap for potatoes, one giant leap for French fries.
and look it. Hi, I'm Brad.
It's my cousin.
Ow.
Hi.
What's that gonna... Thank you. I want to say thank you for letting me be part of your world. I love science, and I love you for your love of science.
Oh, do you know how old the house is? This is like from 1890. They should have a Ouija board just in case families want to do Ouija board here.
That's scary.
Hey, welcome to Allie and CoCo Science Show. Today we're doing a DIY Ouija board.
Oh no.
We're gonna call spirits.
Wow.
If you eat one thing that has been yoted, the yeet gods will come.
Go.
Whew. Okay, my fuel's ready. Oh, Katie, you're so sweet. Okay. How's yours going? Ooh, I like your yarn in the middle.
I'm almost done.
Okay. Okay. If you want to put this in there, it's pretty much dry. I'm so nervous. As long as something doesn't catch on fire, that should.
house.
A burn down house. Hey,
It's a Peppa party.
I might put George on there.
With Yoshi.
Who's George?
George is Peppa Pig's little brother.
There's Peppa, George, Mom, and Dad.
Peppa
Their names
Pig.
are Mom and Dad.
No, here's this is here. Look, I'm gonna do it. I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George.
Does she really do that?
This is Mommy Pig, and this is Daddy Pig.
Wait, does that really happen in the show?
Yeah. Yes. This is Mommy Pig.
Ooh.
And
Snack
this
break.
is Daddy Pig.
John, you can try one.
I'm the best
snack.
at doing Daddy Pig impression. No, the best. No, the best. Want me to do a Daddy Pig impression? I'll do it right now. No, it's the best. it's the best alarm. It's the best. And I'm blowing Peppa Pig's whole family on tour.
The whole family is gonna go up in flames. Okay, this is Katniss Everdeen, the lantern on fire. I have high hopes for her. It's really just tissue paper with strips of dead cardboard that we had and some wire with newspaper with wax dripped all over it, and I've tethered it so that I prevent forest fires.
Hi, I'm Ellery and she's Taya. And our lantern is called the Rainbow Magic Frappuccino. Here's the Frappuccino, and here's the rainbow, and here's some sparkles. And then here's Peppa Pig and George.
Awesome. And how did you build it?
So we built it with a lot of tape and tissue paper. Tissue paper. We taped it from the inside and the outside to build it up, and then we put like a top on it.
And our fuel source.
And our fuel source, we have a candle right here, and there's like this little piece of newspaper with like cardboard and piñata paper on it, because we got it left over from my sister's birthday party.
And wax.
And there's wax on there, like melted wax. So we're gonna light the wax, and that's also gonna add extra fuel.
Nice. Awesome.
Okay, this is the dankest of memes. It took me an hour and a half to build. Basically, the fuel source thing is tissue paper and a paper plate wrapped around a candle, and then it's tied together with string.
Oh my god, nice.
This is my design. So it's called the jumping man parachute.
Awesome.
So I made like this little guy right here.
Okay.
And my fuel source, so I'm gonna light a candle. Like that's right there.
Gotcha.
And I hope it isn't gonna burn the whole entire thing. I used like this tissue paper for like a background. The thing that is holding it all together is like a Gershie bag. There's like there's a paper plate.
Ooh, let me see.
Right there.
Okay.
I used, and there's this cardboard like stabilizer.
Awesome.
And that's it.
Looks cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and light it, and you're just gonna stay on the edge of the dock, and it may take a little, if it's gonna fly, it may take a bit for hot air to fill it up. Again, if it lights on fire, throw it in the lake.
Right away. No matter how beautiful it is.
Okay, go ahead and stand right on the edge. Next victim. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh. No, Peppa Pig!
Away from the dog. Peppa Pig!
Bacon!
So dankest of
Good luck, soldier.
I don't know, it smells like a cheap cigar.
Peppa Pig incident, mine, I ripped a hole, so we'll see.
A Peppa Pig incident. Peppa Pig is still alive.
We'll fish Peppa Pig out.
Oh no!
Peppa Pig got it's gonna be fun. How's yours going?
I like your tissue paper decoration looks really pretty.
He has a stick figure too.
You have a little guy?
Yeah.
It's all Peppa Pig is floating under the dock. We must
Mine
save
was
Peppa Pig.
tissue paper, and a candle and a paper.
And I think the only thing with yours is like the wick was like too, like the paper plate was too on top of it, so it couldn't get enough oxygen.
That's a pretty good point there,
Should I let it go and see what happens?
You don't feel any it's gonna fall. But look at it's puffing.
It's puffing.
It's puffing a little bit,
It's
Allie.
burning.
It's not even on fire, it's just the paper.
It's dripping.
That's bad.
Let go. Puffy.
Wait, no, not yet.
Oh. That was close.
My fuel source
It's
is too
disintegrating.
big. Look at that. Look at that.
It disintegrated. Your lab coat almost caught on fire.
Good thing I was wearing a lab coat. Is it gonna go?
Smells like bonfires.
Just because it's just making like the tiniest thing.
Should we let it go and see what
You
happens?
wanna try?
Let it go.
Let it go over the water. Can you sing "Let It Go" when you start?
Let it go. Let it go.
Over the water, Alex.
Not
Over
over
the
the
don't
water.
throw it. Don't throw it.
Oh, the scissors are on the table up there. Can you
Just
go
let
grab
it.
More
let it go.
scissors issues?
Where should I do?
Assistant pyro.
Right.
And suddenly Alex goes up in the air.
Should I
Okay.
drop it?
If you want to try.
Does it feel like it's going up?
Do you feel it? No.
Just drop it over.
Just drop it so that I don't have to jump into the water too far.
That's why I said just put it over the lake.
That was cute. Yours
Yeah, that went a long
Where's
time,
whose
bud.
camera is?
I have you.
Oh, okay. Hi. It turns out none of them worked. But that's okay.
But mine is floating.
It's floating, so maybe it's a boat, maybe it's a good boat. For the science question of the week, I want to know, have you guys ever tried to make a hot air balloon, and if so, how do you do it? I need to know. So we've obviously all tried and failed, but that's okay. So that's part of the process. So thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.